Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing y'all 4 things to know about Dracaenas before you purchase one. Look at this, it's lush, it's gorgeous, it's spiky, it's floopy, it's everything you need, but these bitches get crispy like Cocoa Puffs. That was horrible. But yeah, so a good way to avoid brown crispy tips, tip number 1, is to not use tap water. If you do, go ahead, stick that shit to the side because there's a lot of hard salts, minerals, and chlorine in the water, or use filtered water. That's how to avoid crispy tips. It happens on old leaves, but if you're noticing it on new growth, that's when you know something's a little off. But they're also floopy, they're full, and that's what just kind of happens as the plant matures. So don't think you're doing anything wrong. The more the leaves fall off is the more the stems grow. That's why I started using filtered water. Look at that crispy tip. You may be wondering, girl, why is that one floopy and this one's spiky? That's because this is a new cutting. I got this around a month ago, and the leaves have not yet started to fall off to where you get that nice, long, pretty stalk that you like to see. But yeah, a third thing is that they like light. They like bright indirect light. However, they can survive like a philodendron in lower light. They just won't thrive. If you have it in a plastic pot, you're going to need to water it, at least me, soak it. You'll need to water it like 2 times a month. Terracotta, that's going to be like twice a week, honey. But they're beautiful. They're low maintenance plants, so beginners, go get your Dracaena.